Look, right, finally, we've got one stock which, thank goodness, is in fact listed on the JSE. Holdsport, okay? So this one is founded in the 1980s in Cape Town. It's the country's leading sports specialist retailer. It's also got the outdoor warehouse businesses in addition to the Sportsmans warehouse. So that's good. Doesn't have an enormous footprint. We're talking about 30 to 40 stores. It was off the market for a while and got relisted in July of 2011. Market cap still relatively small, 2.2 billion rand. Price to earnings ratio looks low to me at 13.1. Dividend yield high at 4.37. So what you've got here is an interesting retailer which isn't particularly huge and isn't particularly expensive. I think we all understand that companies like Mr. Price has done exceptionally well, Foschini's done exceptionally well, but to some extent those companies are now bigger, fully priced, and not necessarily as attractive at an entry level. Yes, there have been a few issues. First of all, sales have been a bit flat in the context of a bit of a stressed consumer. Remember, they're not just selling high-end stuff. There's quite a lot of cricket bats and cheap soccer boots there for people to take their kids and so on. The outdoor warehouse part of business was also not exactly trading up a storm. But I think underlying it all is a investable trend. And as I say, they are on a great dividend yield. They paid a special dividend because they unwound a deal where they owned their distribution center building, sold that to Redefine. So I think the team, Kevin Hodgson and his colleagues, have stabilized the business. I think it looks attractive. And I think as a category, we're going to see more and more sales going through the tills in this case. So I like Holdsport a lot. I think it's a little bit of an undiscovered gem at the tail end of the retail space. It's certainly one that I think people could look at. So, having discussed